Thank you for choosing Palmetto Car Service. Our booking process is simple and hassle-free. If you need help, this video will guide you step by step. Step 1. Enter your service details. Pickup date. Pickup time. Number of passengers. Number of luggage. Pickup address. Enter your flight number. Step 2. Select the vehicle that best fits your needs. Enter your personal details. Any special requirements. First name and last name. Phone number. Email address. Step 4. Enter payment information. Cardholder name. Card number. Expiration date. CVV. Billing zip code. If needed, you can also select car seats at this step. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Once all details are entered, simply click Create Trip to complete your booking. Thank you for booking with Palmetto Car Service. We look forward to serving you.